Can we build the world's best trading bot? Now that is going to be the new direction of this channel. Hello everyone, I am Elias. So let's kick it off. Up to now, we had a AI make videos for us, right? From now on, I don't want to utilize AI that much anymore, except in the background for all the research, etc., for uploading videos and creating descriptions, obviously, all this stuff. And I want to move into, trading bot strategies using real money in front of you guys and see the wins, see the losses, learn from it, see what the macro is and how it influences the strategies, etc., etc. So that is going to be the new direction of the channel. Today's video, we'll be talking about that direction only for a couple of minutes. If you want to hang around, that's amazing. I'll already give some foundational information on what we have already done because the bot has been built. So it's a transparent, rule-based trading bot, which we show live, right? It trades only three things, which is the NASDAQ, the S&P, and gold. And it's for people who want to see a disciplined system that actually works and not, YOLOing 40x leverage into Bitcoin, which I'm sure is exciting. But this is something I can do privately, right? I do actually trade cryptos privately, but maybe in the future on this channel. So we take the finance videos produced by AI out. We now create real money, real rules on screen every week, 3 times a week. Now, there is a strategy, and that strategy is called 3 times a week. We create videos. On Monday is the macro Monday. This is where we look at the macro and the positioning. Maybe we identify some changes we need to make with the bot, the strategy of the bot, to increase our profits, right? Winning 70% of the time doesn't actually mean that we make profits if we don't have stop losses, etc. So that's So that's why we'll continuously review everything. Now, Wednesdays we will use the community here from the channel and pick 1 or 2 questions from the internet or from you guys in the comment section about how to build the trading bots, AI and investing, and see where that gets us as well. And then Fridays is the exciting day where we'll look at the results every single week. So the scoreboard, let me actually change here. What did we achieve this week, right? Did our strategy work? Do we need to make some changes? Obviously, we won't be making changes every single week. Also, the bot, like I said, it is a disciplined system. It doesn't just buy gold on a Monday, for example, right? So we start with $100, very small, and only with gold in the first week and see, does it actually trigger a buy if the signal occurs? So, there's different buying signals and selling signals based on technical analysis the bot does. And if they are triggered, the bot should buy or sell. Now, if those signals are not triggered, then there's no buy. So maybe, or hopefully this week, there will be a buy. But we'll be looking at the strategies, the thoughts that the bot does. Once we actually land the first trade, we will also scale up, right? So then we know, okay, it's traded. There is a stop loss in place. We will be able to control all of that. And that will give me more confidence. So that's why we start very small, just as a test, scale it to the thousands. And the goal is ultimately to go to 1 million over the years, right? This is not something we can do. Like I said, it's not a 40x leverage Bitcoin video. So now, I will never tell you guys what to buy. You just watch the process, right? This is my journey. I want to know if this works. I will also compare, should I just have bought gold and hold it over the years, or can I actually outperform the market, right? That's the interesting part. Now, I have built a dashboard, as you can see here. So there's a lot that goes into it. I log every single trade, so the bot can use that as a memory, the historical data, and learn from it as well. So it's kind of like a machine learning that is happening in the background. And yeah, we'll see all the decisions and everything. And it will be a super exciting journey, although slow. So that is a thing. And yeah, I mean, this dashboard is kind of amazing. All right. Last input. This is only for educational purpose. This is personal research, my research, and it's not financial advice, right? These bots are experimental. They may run at a loss. They may lose me money. They may make me money. Hopefully, they win more than they lose at a profit, right? So always do your own research, and I will see you on Monday.